Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. So guys, thank you all very much for wishing Working Money Channel a happy first birthday yesterday. A little birdie told me though that today is Aaron's 7th birthday, June 14th. And Aaron is from Switzerland. He listens to the channel every morning with his sister and his father. So happy birthday to Aaron today. Another astute request that Aaron has proposed is that he's asked the Tooth Fairy for XRP this year for his loose tooth. And so I'm hoping the Tooth Fairy can deliver on that. I'm sure she will. And the crypto market is looking pretty steady today. A little bit of green, little bit of red, but the market cap up here at 263.8 billion. Okay, so holding strong. BTC at about 8,300, 8,310, 8,311, just hovering here right now. Ultimately, though, we need to break this second shoulder here, which is roughly 8,400, okay, in order to get confirmation that we are still bullish. We did not pass down below the second shoulder, so it looks as if we are bullish, and the same sentiment reigns true in the market here. Bitcoin breaks its 2-week resistance, sets sail for 8,500 to 8,700, which is what they're suggesting is the next range here. I think once we break this, it will be a fairly easy trip to 9,000. This one here from Fundstrat to clients, saying that the Bitcoin dip is over, Crypto King is poised for a new rally, and so a technical analyst at Fundstrat Global Advisors says now is the time to buy Bitcoin. In a new note to clients, strategist Rob Schlumer says Bitcoin's relative strength index, RSI, is starting to show an upward shift in Bitcoin's momentum, reports Bloomberg. And so here's a quote: another upside attempt appears to be developing for most cryptocurrencies. Increase exposure. We expect Bitcoin to stage another rally from current levels towards next resistance between 8,800 and 9,000. Schlumer also highlights the impressive performance of Litecoin, advising clients to continue to use near-term pullbacks to accumulate. And yeah, Litecoin's doing quite well as well. We know the Litecoin halving is coming up. I could see it maybe basing back into this level and this top level of old resistance at 122 and change roughly. Right now it's trading at 132, but we're living in interesting times and we're seeing it now happen before our eyes. This is the bull run we've been waiting for, guys. So buckle up and get prepared. This from Crypto Wolf: Binance will stop allowing US customers to trade on their website on September 12th. And here's a link to that effect. Binance is unable to provide service to any US person, so there's got to be something involved in that. And so I was thinking to myself that there had to be some sort of regulatory reason for that. And of course, I had read this before. Binance says it's launching a US exchange with FinCEN-Registered partner. So they are going to actually launch a specific exchange for US clients. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, is launching a US division. The Malta-based company said Thursday it is setting up Binance US, a new trading platform specifically targeting US customers in partnership with a firm called BAM Trading Services. The platform will be operated by BAM while using Binance's wallet and matching engine technologies. So Americans will still be able to use Binance. It doesn't look like there will be many problems there. And Nick Fung on Twitter, that's at Nick168FNG. What Ripple is executing every day is to take over Swift. Currently, we've signed up over 100 Swift-enabled banks that are now using the Ripple technology. This from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. And here's the article. Ripple CEO criticizes the decrepit Swift technology that banks use. The Silk Road days are over. When Bitcoin was invented a decade ago, and later more cryptocurrencies, including Ripple's XRP, appeared, their use was mainly linked with anonymous ways of selling drugs as well as weapons online through marketplaces such as Silk Road. And Brad talked about this too, right? First, it was associated with Silk Road, Bitcoin, and similar cryptocurrencies. Then it was speculation. So speculation set in. People were realizing that, I could make a lot of money investing in Bitcoin. And so they were speculating on price increases and people were becoming millionaires this way. People are still becoming millionaires this way. But now the financial industry is ready to adopt blockchain. And essentially, this is what this article is about. Ripple is leading as the best option for banks. And so for that reason, there's no room for the Silk Road anymore. Subsequently, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the fintech startup is overtaking old Swift networks in the blink of an eye. So Brad Garlinghouse said this in a recent interview with Bloomberg. Ripple CEO seemed confident that the fintech startup is indeed the hot cake for the financial institutions. Brad Garlinghouse said, "What Ripple is executing every day is to take over Swift. Currently, we've signed up over 100 Swift-enabled banks that are now using the Ripple technology. The numbers are increasing, with Brad stating that they have attracted a plethora of new customers who are looking for blockchain on solving logistical issues that are posed by the older systems. And so, of course, the reason that Ripple technology is better is because that it will source liquidity through XRP, something that Swift isn't able to do. And Brad Garlinghouse mentioned something to that effect down here, or maybe it's just the knowledge I have on GPI, the fact that they still need to pre-fund accounts. But he says the technology used by the banks today that Swift developed years back hasn't really evolved or even kept up with the current market. He also added that despite Swift's affirming some time back that they couldn't see blockchain as a real solution, the time is now that they should start eating their words. Blockchain is here, people. Blockchain is being utilized. And it doesn't seem like Brad Garlinghouse is shying away from saying that Ripple is essentially looking to take over Swift. And it feels as though that they could, right? They're already leaps and bounds ahead of their competition with regards to the technology, and they have already 100, they've got more banks on board, but 100 Swift-enabled banks, so essentially 100 of Swift's customers are already using Ripple technology. Maybe not XRP right today, but guys, once those cryptocurrency regulations become clear as day, I'm sure we'll start to see that influx of volume that we've all been talking about. Anyway, just wanted to thank Nick Foong for that tweet, and XRP Crypto Wolf as well. And Aaron from Switzerland, happy 7th birthday, buddy. I hope you enjoyed today. So that's what's going on today, folks, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.